Okay, so we left off with switching back and forth between log and exponential forms. So now we're going to start with the log and go to exponential. Again, start with your base and just make that circle. So base of 3 raised to the second power is equal to 9. And it's kind of makes sense too, guys. Just think about it logically. Look at what you're writing down. Is 3 squared 9? Yeah, so that makes sense. Okay, same thing here. 2 to the 5th power is equal to 32. Now, when you go through Ingenuity, it's going to have you do some things with variables and expressions. It's the same concept. Whatever the base is, raised to whatever's over here. It could be an x plus 3. It could be a 5x minus 10. It doesn't matter. That will be your exponent. And then whatever is in the parentheses or this of number right here is going to be what it's equal to. Okay? So it can be expanded a lot more than just our whole numbers here. All right. So when you go to evaluate a log, we've got a variable in here. Evaluate log base 2 of x is equal to 3. Anytime you evaluate or solve a log, guys, the key thing is to just switch between forms, okay? If you're in log form, go to exponential. If you're in exponential, put it in log, and you should be able to solve it, okay? So you're just going to go back and forth. This is in log form because I see the word log, so I'm going to put it in exponential form. So 2 to the 3rd power is equal to x. So when I write that down, I can easily see what x is because I can just do 2 to the 3rd power, which is 8. And you can also just plug it into your calculator. So if you're not good with mental math, pick up your calculator, guys. Plug it in. There's a lot of calculator usage in this unit. So we got 2 to the 3rd power is x, so x is 8. And that's our answer. Okay, that's the value of this log. Same thing if there's no equal sign, you can put one. This says, what is log base 2 of 32? Well, it's got to be equal to something, right? So you can say equals x, and then you just start with your base, put it in exponential form. So we've got 2 to what power is 32? Well, since this is nice and, you know, it's a pretty problem, right? It's going to work out well because we haven't really done the calculator yet. So 2 to what power is 32? Well, 2 to the 5th. So x is 5. And that's it. The value of this would be 5, okay? So you're taking the log of something and you've got different bases, different stuff. Yeah, okay, I'm done. Oh, look at this one. Okay, so 4 to the 5th, I'm just as random in a video, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, so 4 to the 5th power is equal to what? Again, you can just throw that in your calculator. It's always nice when the of number is your variable because it's defined for you right there.